the last war, the last battle of the War of 1812. Woo! And have deserved. I know that's
Did you just snort?
No, Robert, no, I love you. Yeah, see that, biatches? I beat you. Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Andrew Jackson have been re-elected. And
Yeah.
just so you know, biatches, I beat you again. We're not the same people, but I still beat you.
Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna kiss her.
No.
Sorry.
Okay, are you going to be obscene now?
Did you start it?
Yes. Rachel, stop taking off your clothes!
Hey, baby! Oh my God! My life is good. I was pregnant twice. Suck that, biatches. Can I do that? Bad stuff! Sir! Permission to speak! Granted!
Try that again!
So my fault this time.
Fallon.
Oh, you lost!